Let's do this. What? Okay, segment perpendicular bisector. So, first things first, I gotta cut this segment in half. So I go through here and I like find a way to look at this so that I'm coming into half. So there we go, boom, maybe a little bit more. Boom. How's that? That's half. How's that? Not quite. Really? More? Up there? Alright. So, now I cut it in half. It has to be perpendicular. So that means it's coming at a right angle. Okay? Perpendicular. Right? Now, I cut this one in half. Where's the half? So again, maybe 3 knuckles, maybe 4 knuckles, 4 knuckles, boom! I got it. Then I'm going to come half. Uh-oh, it's going to be really, just barely outside. Okay? Now, what should happen is that right here, when we cut this in half, half should be right there, where it's a right angle. Does that make sense? Okay? So we cut this in half. Now again, if the triangle is acute, if it's cute or acute, right? They're all less than 90, then the P is inside, right? If the triangle is obtuse, then P is outside, right, of the triangle. Inside the triangle, outside the triangle, right? If, oh, these are if-then statements way back when, right? Oh, chapter 2, here we go. If the triangle is right, this is the powerful one, then P is on the triangle. Okay? So because this is really close to right, I mean it's not a right angle, but it's really close to it, okay? Then that means P is going to be really close to on, being on the... Now, that's where the center of this circle is. So I'm coming around, I'm trying to make this circle. Oh, goodness. There we go. Okay. Where are you? Awesome. Dooby-dooby-doo. Oh, goodness. My daughter, sorry. She'll have to wait. Okay. Okay, coming around. There we go. A little better. I am making a video. Can't. Okay. Jeez. Might be important. We might have to pause it, right? Alright. But we'll find the P. Alright, so how did we do it? What was our first step? Right? So we found X. Is X up here? Okay. So we have X. Is this Y? Is this Z? And this is Y? Okay. So we found XP, which is perpendicular to what? BA? Or AB? We found PZ, or ZP, which is perpendicular to AC. And we found YP, which is perpendicular to BC, right? So we found all of those. We don't have any lengths, but we do know that they are what? What are these now? They are nothing. Ha! They're perpendicular segments. But there is something else that is something. Where are our radii? So now we can create new angles, right? And this is what gets really weird. Okay? So now we're going to have a triangle right here. Let's do this triangle in blue. We'll do this triangle in red. And maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. So from A to the center, right? From A to the center is your thing, and then you got this angle, and then you got this triangle, right? This is a right triangle, correct? Okay. And then you have, go purple, from C to P, right? And from P to Z, that is a right triangle. Does that make sense? Okay, so from B to P, right? Oh, sorry. From B to P, and then there's this line here. Sorry about that. Okay, from B to P to, oh, that's it. That's the weird one. To this guy right here. So this is your right triangle. Okay? So we have right triangles created. We have, first step is, how did we find it? Step 1, we did segment, perpendicular, bisector to find the circumcenter. After we found the circumcenter, we were able to determine these right triangles. Okay, so right triangle, okay, P, Y, B, right triangle, P, so we're going to start with P every time, going to X, AX, right? P, X, A, and then the right triangle, purple, right? P, the right triangle, P, going to Z, to C, okay? And Z is the right angle, X is the right angle, Y is the right angle, okay? Alright, we'll stop there. That's part 1. Then we'll do the next problem from this section to be able to do problems 7 and 8. Okay, and I'll start that next period. Okay, so we'll get that up in another section, and I'll call TV.